Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off this sign or know how you can do that on your SoundCloud app. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click here on library down here. So then you come to this list here, then all you have to do, you just go above this sign settings, click on it here in up. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you here in this list. Then you just click here on basic settings here, then you come to this list, then you come here to experience the new feed. So you click in this sign or this color here, and like you see, you click here on restart, and like you see now, it's going to restart with us. Doesn't mean it's on off now. So I'm going to show if it's on off. We'll just click in library here, then you click here in this sign settings here in app, then you click here on basic settings, and like you see, it experience the new feed is on off now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like it, subscribe.